Hello students, we will talk about anti-tubercular drugs. Tuberculosis is a chronic granulomatous infection caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The drugs which are used in the treatment of TB are called anti-TB drugs. There are three ways in which we can classify them. First classification says we have, depending on the chemical structure, one we have para-amino-salicylic acid derivatives, that is PAS. In pyridine derivatives we have isoniazid and ethionamide. In pyrazine derivatives we have pyrazinamide. The fourth is ethylene diamine derivatives, that is ethambutol. Then we have antibiotics like streptomycin, rifampicin, cycloserine. There is another classification where we will see, that is the important drugs we will be putting into first line drug, and then you have second line, third line drugs, like that. So the first line drug, or it is a primary treatment, we have isoniazid, rifampicin, ethambutol, pyrazinamide and streptomycin, thiacetazone. Second line drugs we will have ethionamide, kanamycin, cycloserine, PAS. And third line drugs will have clarithromycin, thiacetazone. Then another classification is synthetic antitubercular drugs. So we have all PAS, isoniazid, ethambutol, pyrazinamide, ethionamide, and in antibiotics we have streptomycin, cycloserine, rifampin and clarithromycin. That is isoniazid, that is very important, excellent anti-TB drug, which is a pyridine derivative. You can see the structure, it is hydrazine derivative of isonicotinic acid. So the name is isonicotinyl hydrazide, that is NHNH2 is hydrazide. Now if you see the brand name, it is Isonex. This is also known as INH. We see the physical properties, it is colorless crystals with a sweet and bitter taste, soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol and ether. Melting point is 170. Chemical properties, it gives yellow color precipitate with vanillin. It is stable at room temperature and this can be stored in well closed container. So used treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis and extrapulmonary lesions. Formulation isoniazid tablets and injection. Rifampicin is semisynthetic derivative of rifamycin B obtained from Streptomyces mediterranei that contains macrocyclic ring structure. Brand name is rifampin. Physical properties, brick red crystalline powder, soluble in water and chloroform and alcohol. Chemical properties, if you see, it is solution of rifampicin will give orange color with ammonium persulfate. Stable in crystalline state and unstable in liquid state. Stored in tightly closed light resistant container, preferably filled with nitrogen in cool place. So uses treatment of TB, leprosy and meningitis. The dosage forms rifampicin tablets, dispersible tablets, capsules, suspension and syrup. This is pyrazine derivative of nicotinamide. Now this brand name is zinamide. The chemical name is pyrazine 2-carboxamide. Available as white odorless powder with bitter taste and sparingly soluble in water. Melting point 188. Stable at room temperature and stored in the well closed container. This used in the treatment of secondary tuberculosis in conjunction with the other anti-TB drugs. Available as tablets, syrup and dispersible tablets. Ethambutol. We'll talk about ethambutol. The brand name is Combutol. Now if you see the structure, it is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2OH, NH, CH2, and the same structure repeats this side. So there is CH2NH, CH, CH2OH, CH2, CH3. So this is N-bis 1-hydroxymethyl propyl ethylene diamine. White odorless hygroscopic crystalline powder with a bitter taste. Soluble in water and alcohol. Slightly soluble in chloroform and ether. Melting point 202. The chemical property, produces blue color with copper sulfate in presence of NaOH. Stable at room temperature and used in the treatment of tuberculosis in combination with INH and rifampicin. Formulation: ethambutol tablets and capsules. We talk about para-amino salicylic acid, that is PAS. It is a sodium salt of para-amino salicylic acid. So the structure you can see, it is benzene, you have COOH, OH, and this para position to COH you have NH2, that is 4-amino 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, or it is 4-amino salicylic acid. Available as white crystalline powder, sweet in taste, soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, insoluble in chloroform and ether. Chemical property: it gives violet purple color with neutral FeCl3. Formulation: tablets, stable at room temperature, and this is stored in airtight light resistant container at a temperature below 40. Used in the treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis. We will talk about ethionamide. This is isonicotinic acid derivative. As you can see the structure, there is a ethyl substitution on carbon 2, and this is basic molecule is pyridine, and on 4th position we have carbothioamide. So it is a thioamide of isonicotinic acid. The brand name is Triscatil. So the chemical name is 2-ethyl pyridine 4-carbothioamide. This is a bright yellow powder, light sensitive, soluble in water, alcohol and acetone. Melting point is 158. There are chemical properties that it gives a dark brown precipitate with silver nitrate, and when heated with HCl it emits vapor which blackens the lead acetate paper. Storage in a well closed container, and uses the treatment of tuberculosis and leprosy. The formulation: ethionamide tablets. Please see the notes in the description. Thank you.